You may spend most of your time playing games when using the claw, but there still might be circumstances when you need to navigate through windows. No worries, we've made the process as simple as it can be. Remember how you normally use Windows? The claw is the same. The only difference is the controller. Before you begin, remember to press the Quick Settings button to make sure you're in desktop mode within control mode. Then we can begin the demonstration. Think of it this way. The left stick is the mouse, and the A, B buttons are your left and right clicks. For example, when you're on the desktop, press the B button to show more options. Then select the option and press the A button. When you want to select an app on the desktop, hit the A button twice to open it, just like double-clicking on your mouse. There are also some useful combination keys. You might experience the system not noticing you need a keyboard. If so, press M1 or M2 plus the up button to display the virtual keyboard. M1 or M2 plus the left button shows the desktop immediately, which is something that might come in handy. If you want to see the full list of every command, click the bottom left button to enter MSI Center M. Select Control Mode, then select Desktop Mode on the right. There you will find many options for you to select and manage, including key mapping, stick, and combination keys. That's a wrap for Windows Mode. Thanks for watching.